Greetings, esteemed history enthusiasts and curious learners. Today, we embark on an exploration of a momentous chapter in the annals of human history, the Battle of Normandy. This formidable military campaign, also known as D-Day, unfolded in the summer of 1944 during the midst of World War II. It was a monumental endeavor, executed by the Allied forces with the utmost determination, aimed at liberating Western Europe from the oppressive grasp of Nazi occupation, led by eminent military strategists, including General Dwight D. Eisenhower, the supreme commander of the Allied Expeditionary Force. This audacious initiative poised to unleash the fury of warfare upon the beaches of Normandy, France. In this video, we shall delve into the historical backdrop that precipitated the Battle of Normandy, scrutinize the meticulous preparations undertaken by the Allies, bear witness to the harrowing confrontations that transpired on the 6th of June, 1944, and think about the consequences of this battle. Join us as we embark on a journey through the corridors of time, to a pivotal juncture when the fate of nations hung in precarious balance. Welcome to the Battle of Normandy, an indelible testament to human valor, sacrifice, and the relentless pursuit of liberty. To understand the significance of the Battle of Normandy, we must first delve into the historical context that led to this pivotal moment in World War II. As of 1944, the war had raged on for nearly 5 years, and the Allies sought a decisive operation to liberate Europe from the Nazi Germany hands. Occupied Europe endured immense suffering. With millions living under the oppressive Nazi regime, the people yearned for liberation, and the Allies understood the urgency of delivering them from tyranny. At key conferences like Tehran and Yalta, Allied leaders, including Winston Churchill, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and Joseph Stalin, strategized to devise a comprehensive plan to defeat the Axis powers and restore peace to the continent. The Allies recognized the strategic significance of Western Europe as a gateway for launching an invasion into Nazi-occupied territory. A successful foothold in France could potentially lead to the liberation of the entire continent.
After exhaustive planning, Operation Neptune, the amphibious assault phase of Operation Overlord, was chosen as the means to begin the liberation of Europe. General Dwight D. Eisenhower was entrusted with the task of leading this audacious endeavor.
In the months leading up to June 1944, troops from various Allied nations congregated in England, undergoing rigorous training and marshalling an unprecedented array of men and machinery for the impending assault. Finally, on the 6th of June, 1944, under the codename D-Day, the Allies launched their daring assault on the beaches of Normandy. This decisive moment marked the beginning of the Battle of Normandy, a campaign that would alter the course of history. Before the storm of battle swept across the shores of Normandy, meticulous preparations were set into motion by the Allied forces. This phase was marked by strategic planning, exhaustive coordination, and the resolve to ensure the success of the forthcoming operation. Key military commanders, under the guidance of General Eisenhower, analyzed intelligence reports, weather forecasts, and a myriad of factors to select the ideal date for the invasion. A day when tides and moon phases would offer optimal conditions. Choosing the landing sites along the Normandy coast was a critical decision. 5 beaches were selected, codenamed Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juno, and Sword, each assigned to a different contingent of Allied troops.
The scale of the operation demanded an unparalleled logistical effort. Ingenious mulberry harbors were constructed to facilitate the offloading of troops' vehicles and supplies directly onto the French shores.
As the fateful day approached, an awe-inspiring armada gathered in the English Channel. Countless ships, ranging from battleships to landing craft, carried an immense multinational force towards the shores of Normandy. In conjunction with the amphibious assault, airborne troops were poised to play a vital role in securing key objectives behind enemy lines. Paratroopers from the US, Britain, and Canada trained relentlessly for their daring missions. In the final days before the operation, General Eisenhower delivered a heartfelt message to the troops, acknowledging the immense risk and emphasizing the significance of their mission. As the sun rose on June 6, 1944, the largest amphibious assault in history commenced. The Allies targeted 5 key beaches along the Normandy coast: Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juno, and Sword. Each landing site posed unique challenges, with the Germans heavily fortified and determined to defend their territory. Omaha Beach, in particular, witnessed brutal and relentless resistance from the German defenders. The Allied forces confronted daunting obstacles, but through sheer determination and heroism, they slowly gained ground. In conjunction with the amphibious landings, airborne operations played a critical role in securing key objectives. Paratroopers from the US, Britain, and Canada dropped behind enemy lines, disrupting German defenses and paving the way for the main assault. As the battle progressed, the Allies steadily advanced inland. Facing fierce German resistance, the struggle for control of the crucial city of Caen, a major objective, turned into a protracted and hard-fought battle. By the end of June, the Allies had broken out of the Normandy beaches and launched a relentless push to liberate France. The liberation of Paris in August 1944 was a symbolic and emotional moment, as the French capital was finally freed from 4 years of occupation. One of the most decisive engagements during the battle was the Falaise Pocket, where the Allies encircled German forces, inflicting heavy casualties and effectively breaking the German defensive line. As the summer of 1944 progressed, the Allied forces advanced relentlessly, pushing the Germans back. The Normandy campaign weakened the German war machine, paving the way for further Allied victories on the Western Front. The Battle of Normandy was a testament to the courage, determination, and resilience of the Allied forces. It was a turning point in World War II, as the liberation of Normandy marked the beginning of the end for Nazi Germany. The liberation of Normandy brought a renewed sense of hope and freedom to the people of France. Throughout the region, towns and cities erupted in jubilation as the occupying German forces were pushed back. Strategically, the Battle of Normandy was a turning point in the war. The Allied foothold in Western Europe provided a launching pad for further offensives and a steady march towards the defeat of Nazi Germany. Yet, victory came at a heavy price. The battle resulted in a significant loss of life on both sides. The fields of Normandy bore witness to the ultimate sacrifice of brave soldiers from various nations. Following the success of Normandy, the Allies continued their advance towards Germany, bringing the war closer to its ultimate conclusion. The combined efforts of the Allied forces had proven their determination to stand united against tyranny. In the annals of history, the Battle of Normandy stands as a testament to human courage, resilience, and the pursuit of freedom. It was a watershed moment that forever changed the trajectory of World War II and demonstrated the power of unity and the triumph of good over evil. We honor the memory of the brave soldiers who stormed those beaches on that fateful day. Their determination and heroism paved the way for the liberation of Europe and a brighter future for generations to come. As we pay tribute to the fallen, let us remember the lessons of the past and carry forward the spirit of peace, cooperation, and respect among nations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support allows us to continue sharing stories that shape our world. Until next time, take care and remember, the lessons of history guide us towards a better future.